Moving by plane can be a real time saver, but it takes a little extra planning to make sure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're flying to your new home or shipping your belongings by air, here are some key tips to help you prepare. Start by deciding what to take with you on the plane and what to ship separately. Keep essentials like documents, jewelry, medications, and electronics in your carry-on so they're always within reach. Airlines have strict baggage limits, so double-check the weight and size restrictions before you pack. If you're flying with checked luggage, use sturdy suitcases and label everything clearly with your name, phone number, and destination address. For fragile items, wrap them carefully and consider extra padding to prevent damage during transit. When shipping household goods by air freight, work with a licensed moving company that specializes in long-distance or international moves. They can help you handle customs paperwork, packaging, and delivery schedules. It's also a good idea to research what items you can't bring on the plane, like certain liquids, plants, or aerosols. Knowing these rules ahead of time can help you avoid last-minute hassles at the airport. With the right planning, moving by plane can be quick, convenient, and stress-free. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contact@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.